In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Hostinger webmail. If you're new to Hostinger or just need a bit of guidance, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and make sure you can access your webmail smoothly in just a few steps. First, you'll want to go to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.hostinger.ph. Once you're on the Hostinger main page, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the login button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page, so just click on it to proceed to the login screen. Now once you've reached the login page, go ahead and enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. If you're anything like me and sometimes forget the occasional password, make sure to use the forgot password link if you need to reset it. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger homepage. From the home screen in your H panel, which is Hostinger's control panel, you'll want to look for the emails section. It's usually easy to spot, but don't hesitate to scroll a bit if you need to. Go ahead and click on email when you find it. Now this will bring you to the place where you can manage all your email settings. In the email section, you should see an option that says email accounts. Click on this link and it will take you to a page listing all the email accounts associated with your domain. If you haven't set up an email yet, you might want to do that first by creating a new account. Once you've got your email account sorted, the final step in accessing your webmail is to click on Webmail. This is where you'll finally be able to manage your emails directly, much like any standard email service. The webmail interface should open for you, and from there you can send, receive and organize your emails as needed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully opened your Hostinger webmail. Remember to bookmark the webmail page for quick access in the future. It can really save you a few clicks and precious time the next time you need to access your emails quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you out. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and helpful content. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, take care.